Right now, we are commencing our 1 minute silence in remembrance of all those that died that we may live. Wherever you are, we are commencing our 1 minute silence.
Today is May 30th, a day that means different things to different people. But for millions of Biafrans around the world, it is a solemn day of remembrance, a day set aside to honor and remember the men, women, youth, and children who lost their lives during the Nigerian Civil War. Today, from villages and cities across the southeast to communities thousands of miles away in Europe, Asia, and beyond, Biafrans pause to remember their fallen heroes and heroines. And from the videos and reports coming in, one thing is clear. May 30th is being observed not just in Nigeria, but across the world. Stay with us because in this video, we'll be looking at reports, footage, and scenes from different parts of the southeast of Nigeria and from Biafran communities abroad. And most importantly, I want you to tell us exactly what is happening in your area right now, especially if you're based in the southeast of Nigeria.
The war was not Ojuku's war. I happened on the Igbo situation at the time of the conflict. I did my duty to the best of my ability, and I am glad that Nigerians generally recognize this fact. One man could not have held the entire Nigeria and her allies for 3 years. The Igbo people felt threatened.
Right now, we are commencing our 1 minute silence in remembrance of all those that died that we may live. Wherever you are, we are commencing our 1 minute silence. A 21-gun salute because they fought and they died for us.
What many people may not realize is that the remembrance did not stop in the southeast. Videos and photographs have emerged showing Igbo and Biafran communities in countries such as Spain, Cambodia, and other parts of the world gathering together to remember the fallen heroes and heroines. In some locations, candlelight processions were held. In others, prayers and memorial services took place.
Mary Wanyoma. That's our Biafran flag flying high. Our people are still coming. We are just the beginning of our remembrance day here in London.
The spirit, what they eat is blood. You don't eat a vegetable. You don't eat what they
Where's
eat
that?
the
Strong man
throw the blood
on the
floor.
journey.
The spirit will rise and fight for what
He stay with her. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Ife abụọ IPOB ndị ichie South Africa Western Cape ezumezu ndị ichie na afụrụ ọgụ ebunajel ihe a ga-abụ ọgụ ikpeazụ ọ ga-so ihe a ga-abụ ikpeazụ anyị na-ekwu Biafra this time next year anyị ga-anọdị ọcha all hail Biafra all hail my last candidate of men all hail our leader under Nigeria anyị were ihe a wee kpochapụ ya ọ dị ọcha ka ọ maa mma
Many gathered carrying candles, flags, and banners as they paid tribute to those they believed sacrificed everything during the war.
After this session, I have the second section, which is a prayer section. I'm gonna pray and all the same thing. I got by Ghana prayer. Then look at the body of that man. 2026 under the leadership of DOS, IPOB, Abia State Media Reporting.
Whether in Africa, Europe, Asia, or North America, today's observance has once again demonstrated how deeply connected many people remain to the chapter of history. Back home in the southeast of Nigeria, Candlelight vigils were reportedly held in various communities, churches, and public spaces. As darkness fell, many gathered with candles in their hands. Some sang hymns, some prayed, some observed moments of silence. Across different towns and cities, the atmosphere was one of reflection, remembrance, and solemnity. For many families, this is not just history, it is very personal. Many still remember relatives and loved ones who were affected by the conflict.
These are the gallant men from Enugu of the state. We are here mourning and celebrating our fallen heroes. Those people who have laid down their life for the Biafra restoration to come. We are here mourning and celebrating them. We will not rest at the day that the Biafra is restored. It's a promise and a prayer you are made to them. We will fight and fight until Biafra is restored. Yes, these are the gallant men. These are the gallant men. These are the gallant men. The Biafran Defense Force. These are the Biafran Defense Force. These are the gallant Biafran Defense Force under the leadership of the Mazi Oganilu in Enugu of the state, under the 40 states that is recommended in Biafran at large.
Now let's turn our attention to some of the videos coming in from different locations. This footage right here is reportedly from Orlu in Imo State. As you can see, the streets appear unusually quiet. Commercial activities appear minimal.
Biafran Day compliance, sit at home in the entire southeast. We respect our fallen heroes and we don't joke with them. We don't joke with them, we respect them. We respect our fallen heroes, those who died during the war. Everybody is enjoying inside his house, praying for them. You know, nobody is flouting the other. Igbo land respects the people who died during the war, a war that was unjustly prosecuted against the southeast. And today, the Igbo people are saying we are respecting our fallen heroes, and that is why everywhere is scanty. And that is why you can see that the road, this is an express road, Orlu road, nobody is here. Nobody. You can only see one or two people going for one or two things, but you cannot see the road crowded as before. So those people even went home to celebrate it in their villages, and this is to show you that yes, there is full compliance as far as Imo State is concerned. When it comes to Biafran Day celebration, people are at home and nobody is flouting this order. So this is a total show of respect and honor to our dear fallen heroes during the Biafran War.
Now let's move over to Anambra State. This footage is reportedly from Oyago Market. As seen in the video, many shops appear closed and commercial activities seem largely suspended.
We are reporting live and direct. You can see the shops. People are observing the sit-at-home. Monday 30th of May. People, this is to tell the world that our people were killed. Our children were killed. Our mothers were raped. We are being they did a lot of evil against the Igbo people and the Biafrans. You can see it. We are live and direct at Oyago in Anambra State. They are reporting live. So this is 30th of May 2026. Our people are sitting at home to honor those that died, those that paid the ultimate price that we may have our freedom. So this is Oyago. Popular in my place, so you can see it. This is Oyago. We are live, we are direct. In Oyago. We are live and direct in Oyago. In Anambra. Our people are observing it at home. It's a day of history. The day we remember the people that died. Our mother, our children, they were killed. Those that were raped, we remember them today. Those that were killed by the Nigerian terrorists in army uniform. Those that the Nigerian government killed with the help of British. We remember them today. You can see it. Our people are observing it at home today. So we are here today to debunk the lies of those criminals, telling you, oh, the Nigerian government telling you that people are going to their normal business. It's a lie.
So let's make this comment section a live situation room. Tell us, what state are you watching from? What town or city are you in? Was there compliance in your area today? Were markets opened or closed? Were roads busy or empty? Let's hear directly from the people on the ground. And to our brothers and sisters watching from abroad, Spain, Cambodia, United Kingdom, United States, Germany, Italy, Canada, Australia, and everywhere else around the world. Tell us how today's remembrance was observed in your city. Did you attend a candlelight vigil, a prayer gathering, a memorial service? We would love to hear your experiences. Or should we rather go live later today to discuss, interact? If you'd like us to host a live discussion where people from different towns, cities, states, and countries can share what happened in their areas today, type "Go Live" in the comment section. I genuinely want to hear from people across the Southeast and across the world. As more videos continue to emerge from different parts of Biafraland and the Diaspora, one thing remains evident. For many people, May 30th remains a day of remembrance, reflection, and honoring those who came before them. Now it's your turn. Tell us, how was Biafra Heroes Day observed in your area?